He's not talking like that all the fucking time. So like, why are we like putting like Yorkshire people on TV trying to talk like fucking idiot?
But I'm like, I don't get why you've done that. As if like nobody can understand your Yorkshire accent. Like,
yeah. To be honest, I don't know why it was a British accent as well. So I don't know why people think
British.
like when American people do a British accent.
Oh,
and
it's not
like,
that. It's far from that.
Like I've never heard anyone speak like that.
Yeah.
Like on Bridgerton, they speak like that because that's fucking
prim and
proper not like years ago. Like
that's like
I think 90% of people in the UK, 90% of British people do not talk like that.
No, I know when people like
or
do a British
80%.
accent, like Americans.
Like, oh, would you like tea?
Yeah.
Would you like to drink some tea, darling?
Even my nana don't even talk like that.
No.
I was like, all right, cock. Yeah, all right, cock.
But not like, we're not rude.
Yeah.
It's like, what you doing?
Yeah.
It's not like, what are they doing?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's just too much.
Yeah, doing too much.
Way too fucking much.
That's period on that, yeah.